This is Joe from MOKPO JOJOSHI. Today I want to share a video about this island with you. The island called Jeongdo. I went to Jeongdo for filming my YouTube channel video before, but to be honest, I went there for just camping, so I didn't really look around Jeongdo, but let's watch this video and figure out how this island is beautiful. This is the Mud Skipper Beach. That is the place that I had camping with the friends. It looks gorgeous to see from the sky. And this is the Mud Skipper Bridge. It is a good place to take a picture at. And this cafe, I've never been there before. Dang it, I need to go back to Jeongdo Island. And then they have a monument for the relics from the ocean floor. I'm ready to pack my bag to get there because there are still lots of relics under the ocean floor. Hwado Nodukil. I don't know why Hwado know the road, but this road Siparing like Jindo Siparing Road. It looks beautiful. 안녕하세요. And some people cycling now. I'm bad at cycling. And what is this? Oh yeah, I passed this road to go to the Mud Skipper Beach. This is salt field. Shinhan salt is the bestest salt ever that I've heard before. It looks wicked to see from the sky. Taepyeong Halifate Garden? It reminds me of Suncheon Bay for a second. Jeongdo has a grandeur place too. I'd love to come back here at Zap with a JOJOSHI member. Thank you for watching this video, Slow City, Jeongdo Island.